Wi-Fi setting. Power on the alarm hub. You will find the antenna icon and the Wi-Fi icon. Both of them are gray. It means that they are not connected with Wi-Fi and also the SIM card. You have to go to the user menu and scan the QR code to install the Easy Security app on your mobile phone. After you installed it, just log in, sign up with your own name and password, then sign in. Choose cross sign and the Airlink. Find your own network and fill the password of your network. At the same time, you have to go to the alarm hub, main menu, Wi-Fi, Airlink, now let's start it configuring. Airlink OK, configuration OK. Okay, now we can see there's a blue icon, Wi-Fi alarm host here, and let's try.
System disarmed.
System disarmed.
System armed.
System armed. Okay. Thank you for watching.